Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to find specific file types on Windows 11. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now to get started with finding specific file types on Windows 11, first open up a File Explorer window. And then you can navigate to this PC. Now once you're here, in the command ribbon where you see this view button, click on that and then change it to details. And click on the view button again, then go to show, and then make sure that this option is checked so you can see file name extensions. Once you've done that, make sure you're still in this PC, and then you want to do a search on this PC. Now for this example, I'm going to be using JPEG files and TXT files or text files. So first I'll search this computer for any JPEG files that I have saved on it. So to do that, type an asterisk and then dot and then JPG, and it'll search for any files on the computer that has the JPEG file extension. And then you should start seeing some results for JPEG files that's saved on your computer. If I give you another example and I change this to TXT, it'll start doing a search for all of the files that has the .txt extension on my computer. And after a while, you should start seeing some results. And that's how you can find specific file types on Windows 11. I hope this guide's been useful. Please remember to like the video, and I'll see you next time.